In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create smart forms in HubSpot. Start by opening your browser and heading to HubSpot. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your marketing tools. From the main navigation, go to the marketing menu, then choose Forms. This is where you'll build, manage, and optimize the forms that capture leads and route data into your CRM. Next, click Create Form. You'll see a gallery of templates designed for common use cases like contact capture, event registration, or newsletter signups. Pick the template that's closest to what you need. It simply gives you a head start, and you can change every element later. After you've made your choice, click Use Template to open the editor. Inside the form editor, look for the plus sign. Click that to add new elements to your form. A panel opens with categories that make building easy. Fields contains the essentials you'll use most often, such as names, email addresses, phone numbers, and other inputs. Properties connects your form to CRM properties, ensuring the information you collect lands in the right place on a contact record. The other section gives you additional form elements you can use to fine-tune the experience. Text and media lets you add headings, descriptions, or images to clarify what you're asking for and why it matters, which can significantly improve completion rates. Finally, security and privacy is where you add consent language, GDPR-friendly checkboxes, and tools like CAPTCHA to reduce spam and stay compliant. To change something that's already on your form, click the pencil icon next to that field. Here you can edit the label, add placeholder text, mark it as required, set validation rules, or adjust options for dropdowns and checkboxes. If you drop in a field and decide it doesn't belong, click the delete icon to remove it instantly. As you personalize the form, think about flow and clarity. Put the most important fields at the top, keep labels clear and concise, and only ask for what you truly need. Use text and media to add brief help text so visitors understand how their information will be used. In properties, make sure each field maps to the right CRM property so your data stays clean and usable. In security and privacy, include the right consent options for your region and audience. When you're satisfied, give everything a final scan for readability and accuracy. That's it. Your smart, streamlined HubSpot form is ready to put to work.